Hi, this is David Azimi. I'm standing here today with Imran. We're super excited to present to you our newest listing, 955 Big Bear Court in Milpitas, California. This beautiful property offers a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, a little over 1,250 square feet. I have Imran here, so I'm going to ask him a quick question. What do you love about this property?
So Dad, one thing I love about this property, you're right in the heart of downtown Milpitas, next to great restaurants and shops, not to mention the top-rated school districts. And lastly, it's a great property to buy, not only for first-time home buyers, but just in general.
Wow, you said it so well, son. The best thing to do now, let's take a tour. Let's do it. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour of this beautiful property, 955 Big Bear Court in Milpitas, that offers a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, a little over 1,250 square feet with the open concept, completely updated. I'm pretty sure you guys loved it. But before I go, I'm going to ask Imran one more quick question. Imran, as you took the tour of this property, what did you love most about it?
So Dad, one thing I love most about this property has a great open concept. Everything is really bright. The porcelain countertops, the freshly new cabinets. You can't go wrong with this newly renovated house. And lastly, one of the best things about this property has a great curb appeal.
Wow, you said it so well, kid. Now the next thing that we're going to say,
catch you on the next one.